single friggin'.
So the last time we used it should have been Kyle and Olivia. I wonder if that made it into my tripod bag.
What's going on, John?
Well, someone got into the slider bag and took out the ball head we needed. That was the only ball head that actually fit onto the slider because it has a smaller diameter threading. And none of the other tripod heads fit. We've already checked everywhere and dug through all the bags. What type of person? It is a tripod ball head with a small size threading, and we only had one of them. And with it missing,
gotta be in a box somewhere.
With it missing, the slider will not work. And I can't figure out why someone would have even gotten it into the slider bag and taken it out, because it doesn't fit any of the tripods.
What's he looking here?
We already have. Like 4 people have.
Well, we are trying to do this final shoot, and it seems like the film production gods are laughing at us because we can't find things that we need to bring. The weather is crashing down on us, and we're all really excited that this is the last day, but we just need to pull it together and get up there and get it done, and it's not happening right now.
It's very frustrating for sure.
Yes.
So close.
So close.
Come on, guys.
All right.
It was on the jib, remember? We used it on the X5. Don't forget it.
That's what's happening in San.
Well, those are clouds. I think the
Hey, dude. Yeehaw.
yeah, there is.
Doing on the set?
Distracting everybody.
He's the movie baby.
He's distracting everybody. Except for Tom.
You have now done it.
I'm done. I'm good.
Relax.
Jackie, what do you see, baby dude?
A lot of RVers have the same stuff.
Yeah, they do.
We're just gonna run a couple passes of this. We're just gonna have you walk down the road. I'm gonna have you walk closer to this side of the road, like pretty much right on the edge.
Yeah, get
right about there.
Snake territory.
Right there. Okay. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Camera. Hike. All right, Audrey, hike. All right, good.
Finally met a movie star.
Last shooting day in Wellington. That's a wrap until Colorado. We're gonna go back to the collab and celebrate. After for this last drone shot.
Awesome.
Well, this is it. We're finally wrapping up the final scene of the final shoot here in Wellington, Texas.
Great.
That was really awesome. On to Colorado.
Hey John, are you sad that we're wrapping up our time here in Texas? Brokenhearted?
We had some good times. We had some good laughs.
And this heat can go to hell.
We're all done with this heat.
Yeah. It's time to move on.
Yes, yes.
The town's been good to us.
Oh, the town's
weather has not.
fantastic. Everyone here is great.
Yeah.
I just don't want to be here in the summer.
Yeah.
And it's getting to be summer.
It's
Yeah. It's
It
We're
is,
wrapping
it is
up.
June and it's
Yes.
Yeah.
We're wrapping
RVs
up.
are not made to be in hot.
Yeah.
On a positive note, the air is very sagey here, and that's nice.
That is a real word. Sagey. Sagey is a
Hashtag
word.
sagey.
Yeah, so we just finished up some sunset shooting with the sunset right about, let me see, there it is. Less a little bit.
There it is. You said change your lighting.
Yeah, so we just finished up shooting here in the sunset, and wow, what a difference. It was 105 degrees on our weather station at the RV today, and now it's like probably in the 80s and comfortable and a nice light breeze. This was a nice way to say goodbye to Texas. So our last shoot here for now.
We are at the pool again, over 100 degrees.
I got a pool baby. Little water boy.
Spent some time in the water, didn't you, old man?
You know, little wrinkle man.
So cute. How is the pool? How is the pool?
Bye, pool.
That was it. That was our last time at the pool here in Wellington, because tomorrow we are headed northbound for some cooler temperatures.
Play search protector warning. And I was like,
Okay, it is most of our last night here in Wellington, and by chance we have a gentleman here. His name is Don, and he has been following along and even giving us tips and his thoughts on what we're doing here with RV Nomads. He came to see us, which is incredible and awesome, and he's here with us for dinner.
Well, thank you for having me. So I came to Wellington to visit with the crew and cast here because of how much impact this story is having and where we are in our lives. And I just wanted to travel from Pensacola to let them know, what you're doing is important and also is very inspirational. And so that's why I'm here and supporting this.
So thanks for coming to visit us.
Well,
All the way here in Texas.
I appreciate it. I enjoyed the dinner. Thank you.
September now? I thought it was October.
How are y'all doing?
Hey, hey. Say hi.
Sorry. Hey. It's our last dinner, probably our last big group dinner here in Wellington.
Yeah, probably.
At least for now.
For a while. So I'm very happy to leave and get back on the road and do some traveling because, you know, that's kind of what we like doing.
Yeah, I hear you.
We'll see you in Colorado.
See you in Colorado.
That's nothing.
Hey everybody, we're up with a quick update.
We are in beautiful Colorado.
About 9,000 feet up at Twin Lakes. Beautiful area. We are on our way to Salida, where part 2 of the RV Nomads movie is going to be filmed. And we're enjoying this break. And just wanted to give you guys a sneak peek of where we are at and some of the cool stuff we're up to.